Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to add your Earbuds HUAWEI FreeBuds SE2 to the application. In the previous video we installed and set up the application, so if you don't know how to do this, watch that video. Especially for Android, you cannot install the application from Google Play. You need to install it from App Gallery, so if you don't know how, you can check that video. Now, let's move to adding this device to the application. Firstly, we need to pair it with a phone, so open Settings and go to the Bluetooth or connected devices. If you have Android, click Pair New Device, and after that, open the charging case. If your earbuds, if it's your first connection, your earbuds will enter to pairing mode automatically. But we can also enter to pairing mode manually by press and hold at the same time both of the touch areas. So the touch area is located at the back side of the earbuds right here, and right here we have it, and you need to press and hold it until this LED light starts blinking white. And I just press and hold it, and now as you can see it starts blinking, and we can see it also at the device list. Now tap on it. And now you can hide the settings, open Huawei AI Live application. Then click Add Device, you can click right here, but it asks to log in into my account, so I'm going to use a plus. And as you can see, it finds it, so click Connect. And now click Done. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!